If you know how to ride a bicycle, you know how to fly an FPV drone as well.
I know it may sound strange, but look, when you push the left stick on the controller up, you are starting to pedal a bicycle. You're accelerating. Now when you move the left stick to the right or to the left, you're simply turning the handlebars. But remember, when you're sitting on a bike, your body isn't perfectly straight like this, right? You're a bit tilted forward. So we want to do the exact same thing with the drone, and the right stick is our body. So after you take off, slightly move the right stick up until the drone's camera is pointed ahead. Because as you can see, the cameras on FPV drones are usually mounted at an angle. Typically it's between 25 to 45 degrees depending on the type of a drone. By the way, if you are curious, I have a video about every type of FPV drones. It will pop up at the end of this video. Now remember that smooth quick turns on a bike. You don't just turn the handlebars, because at any real speed you would crash. You help yourself by leaning your body to the side you want to turn. And again, we want to do the same with the drone. So when you want to turn, just move both sticks to the same side. And the last and probably hardest part for every beginner, landing. But now that you know how to turn, just fly back towards yourself, level the drone using the right stick and slowly lower the left stick. Keep in mind that wind or uneven landing area can make it tricky, so use the right stick the whole time to keep the drone steady. Congrats, now you know how to fly an FPV drone. But if you don't want to risk your drone and your money, I highly recommend you to build some muscle memory before your first real flight. And the best way to do that is a simulator. Just get a controller and find any FPV simulator with realistic physics. There are plenty of them, even free ones. Just make sure it has mostly good reviews. Also, keep in mind that just like mouse sensitivity in video games, drones have rates. It's a purely personal thing, so play around with the settings to find your best rates. By the way, based on my experience, I would really recommend flying races in the simulator. It will help you build that muscle memory 2 or even 3 times faster. Believe me, once you are able to pass all the gates and finish without crashing, you can be 100% sure that you will do the same with a real drone. If this video was helpful, I would appreciate your like and subscription. And remember, flying FPV drones is just like riding a bicycle. Once you know how to do it, you will never forget it for the rest of your life. Bye!